Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Makeda. Thank you so much for watching this video where we're going to be unboxing one of the Causeboxes. First of all, look at this box. It is beautiful. That's one thing with Causebox. From the packaging, it's just beautiful. It draws your interest. You can reuse the boxes afterwards to put your things in because the boxes are so pretty. One of the boxes I had before, I redid my mom's closet and I used the box to put her formal purses in, you know, those little small clutches. I used the box to display her purses in there and they fit perfectly and they look so pretty in that box. So this box is absolutely beautiful. Now, let's see what's inside. I'm excited. I finally get to open this with you. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look, I mean, just look at this. If you ever wondered about, hey, should I try out Causebox? I mean, why not? Try it out. I mean, just look at this. Just look at this packaging. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. And of course, you know, Causebox, they support a lot of women and minority businesses and businesses that just help people and help the environment. And it's a wonderful company. It's a wonderful company to become a part of. Look at this beautiful postcard. This is so nice. Normally they'll send you postcards that you can send to friends and family or keep. I mean, this one's beautiful. This is nice for decor. You can even add this in a frame and have it as decor. I would probably do that. That's so gorgeous. So I'm gonna rest that there. And now, in every Causebox, they also have books. They have the books explaining the products, where they come from, whose they are, and it's really fantastic. So you get to really know the products that you have. Yeah, it's really good. So I'll put this here because we might have to refer to it as we look at some of these things if I can't figure out what it is or where it comes from. So let's check it out. Look at this. They say they have winter-free annual membership. Let's see. Share a photo. Oh, this is the winter box. So this is the winter box. Thanks for telling me. Share a photo or video of your winter box and of course tag them. Cool. So I will do that. When I upload this, I will tag it. It might be a little late, but it's okay. Better late than never. So I will check that out. Let's get in here. Oh, yes. Wait. Yeah, I think this is a robe. And I love robes. I wear them all the time. And I'm just so excited when I get some. So this is from this is from Thread and Supply. That's the name of the company. And I'm just so excited. Let's open this up. It looks plush and luscious. Wait, is it a robe or is it a... You know what? It might be a... Well, they call it a cozy cloud wrap. I mean, look at this. It's two-tone. I love things like this, obviously. As you can see, I love things like this. Okay, so it's not a robe. It's like a cardigan. But I love it. It's so nice. And yes, it feels really nice. Do you want to know a little bit about this company? Let's see. Let's see if I can tell you quickly. Ooh, it's made with 100% recycled polyester. Water bottles. What? They made this from water bottles. That's insane. See? This book is very helpful. So this is really cool. I love this one. Great start already. Let's see what else we got. Oh my gosh, there's something heavy in a box here. Oh, it's called Zeal Living, and I mean, on the top, it says white marble coasters. First of all, I love marble. Second of all, I like coasters, so this is gonna be nice. Let's see. And it's heavy. It is heavy. Let's see, it is well wrapped in here. So we're gonna open this up. And wow. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 4 coasters. I wish it came with a coaster holder. That would have been nice to display it, but hey, no problem. And you know what? I have a table in the living room where I will, you know, have a drink and watch TV. These are beautiful. These are so beautiful. Can you see? They're gorgeous. They have little cork. They have little cork feet. These are beautiful. One is going on my table immediately. So I'm going to put all my drinks and everything on there. It's going to be so gorgeous. I'm going to put the others back in the box. But I'm going to leave that one out for me to use. Okay, let's see here. Tell me this is toner. Yes, I needed toner. I'm so happy. See, like these boxes are really nice to get because sometimes the things that you're running out of or the things that you need, when you get the box, then you're like, oh my God, now I don't have to go out and buy or figure out what I need because they sent it to you. I needed toner and they sent this. So this is from Skin & Co. And we're gonna be fancy because this is made in Italy. Okay, it's made in Italy. And I'm pretty excited about this. Wow, let's see if we can find something really quick about this. Okay, it's a $30 value. And it's created with Mediterranean botanical extracts. Vegan and cruelty free. I'm really excited about that. For sure. I love it. And those beautiful marble coasters that we got. Let's see. Zeal Living, they sustainably employ over 9,000 artisans in 17 countries in Africa. So they help people, and they were made by a 60% female workforce. That's beautiful. Get you a Causebox. I am super excited about this. I'm going to be using this. I'll just rest that right there. Let's see. Okay, I see this planner. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful planner. I'm sorry the light is probably blinding it a little bit. And it's by Idlewild Co. I've heard of them, but I never received anything from them before. Let's see if we can hear a little bit about them. If I can find it in here real quick. And I can't find it quick enough. But check out Idlewild Co. This is beautiful, and sorry I didn't open it earlier so like I could use it at the beginning of 2021, but that's okay. It will be used now, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna think about what I'm gonna use it for. Now it includes a daily calendar, monthly calendar, year at a glance, note pages, goal tracking, inspirational quotes, and sticker sheets. Take a look. It's very nice. Nice paper. I'll be using this. I'm gonna think about, I have my other general planner, and I will think about maybe this will be my goal planner. I like that. I'm gonna use this as my goal planner. So this is pretty cool. I like it. It's beautiful. It makes you want to use it. So I'm excited about that. I'll put that over there. Okay. I see something really cool. Ooh, okay. So let's look at this. At first I was gonna save it for later, but let's look at it. It's by Attitude with an E. Attitude. And it seems like it feels amazing and it feels really cool. And I was just barely reading the tag. It says bamboo lie yourself pillowcase. So let me see, is it one or two? It's one pillowcase, but it feels so it feels so nice. And it feels cool. And I believe that's what they say about bamboo sheets. When it's hot, it keeps you cool. And when it's cold, it keeps you warm. This feels really nice. Oh, and it has a little card in here too. Made from 100% organic bamboo, minimal packaging, water and energy saving, chemical free. You know, we gotta check all of our products because they put so much chemicals in there. Ooh. And this is also 20% off. Bamboo bedding. That is nice. I mean, I've heard of bamboo sheets for a long time and heard of their benefits, but I really need to jump on the bandwagon because honestly, this feels amazing. It's not as slippery as silk, but it feels amazing. And like I said, it's cool. It's cool to the touch. It feels so luxurious, and I need some nice sheets. So I'm gonna be checking them out and using that coupon. Here, I'll also tell you the coupon. The coupon is Cause Sleep, and that's 20% off. All right, so check them out because it's really nice. I tell you, and I love this color too. It's like a taupe. I love that. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, that's the only sad thing is when you reach the end of your box, because we've been so excited about all the things we've been getting. Now, if you know me, I'm obsessed with bags. I just love bags, handbags, suitcases, or whatever. Anyway, the last thing they have in here is reusable zip pouches, and this is so awesome because you can use these for literally anything. And they're also plastic. I'm sure probably recycled, probably. And it's by boonsupply.com. And it's a set of 5 reusable pouches. And these are awesome. Look at this. You got the small and the other one, and then the mommy and daddy. Oh wait, there's 3. Oh, so mommy and daddy and in-law. And then you got the kids. These are nice. I like them. And they have that nice little open bottom here. So you can have things lying in there really nice. These are really nice. You can categorize things in your purses, ladies. Throw things in here. Ooh, that's nice. It just zips and it's tight. Let's see what these are meant for. Because I would use it in my purse, but maybe it's used for other things. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay, Boone Supply zip pouches. Take a little for the road with these reusable pouches. Not only are these an excellent sustainable swap, but Boone also gives back big time with their unique business model. So it replaces more than 300 single-use bags. Okay, and 40% of every order supports a fundraiser of your choice. That's pretty cool. It seems like this is food grade because it does have a wine glass and a fork on here. So I'm thinking that means food grade. It has a snowflake. So it sounds like you could put this in the freezer. That's pretty cool. No BPAs. And you can wash it. Oh, you know what? Replace Ziploc bags. Like the disposable Ziploc bags. You can do that. You can use it to replace Ziploc bags. Or you can use it to organize your stuff in your purse. However you want to use it like that. And then let me show you the bottom of the Causebox. Look at that. This box is so beautiful. It's so nice. I love it. I'll be keeping the box, and I love every single thing in this Causebox. That was really nice. I really enjoyed this. I hope you did too, and consider being a part of Causebox. This is not a sponsored video. I just decided to sign up with them, and I like opening and sharing with you because before I decided to subscribe to anything, I watch other people's videos when they do their unboxing, and I just wanted to share this with you. But I think their mission is really great. They support a lot of different businesses that support people in general and making the planet better. And I think it's a good thing. If you can, check them out. Otherwise, I so appreciate you being here on my channel. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe. I have unboxing and other wonderful lifestyle videos and entrepreneurial videos. So join the family. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Much love. Bye.